What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Fabulous 95, and today we're going to be taking a review of Rex Reveler. No, we're not. This is Sage something. I don't remember his last name, but Rex is the Cars 3 stock car. As you can see, a lot of the pictures don't match up at all. But let's go through the packaging, I guess. Mattel's releasing a lot of the Dinoco 400 racers, which is great and all, besides the fact that I already finished the stop motion. Yeah, maybe redone. But we've got, after the Dinoco 400, tiebreaker races determined the winner of the Piston Cup, Clutch Jade, Octane Gain, Sidewall Shine, and Leakless. Which I only need 2 of those. So let's open this guy up. So let's get into the review of this guy. Well, I brought over the actual Rex Reveler from Cars 3, so we can compare and contrast, I guess, a little bit. As you can tell, the design of the gasket logo has not really changed that drastically, but the color of the car has. Also the design, which personally I'm more liking the Cars 3 one, but you have the right to your opinion, and I have the right to mine. Basically, you can just see how much of like a change they made to these, which personally I left, like I've said a lot before. Light blue rims. The gasket kind of just looks like an Oreo for cars, in my opinion, but that's just a theory. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite part of the video was. Next is probably going to be a evolution of gasket racers. Wow. Dang. Okay, well, I'll see you guys next time.